So we're gonna go ahead and start with just the water. Now we're gonna take a look at this one where we have our mixture. And you can see right away that it is starting to go down into the soil. Hey guys, so here in Utah, we are experiencing a drought year, and you might be in the part of the country too where you're also having a drought. So the question becomes, how do you get the most out of your watering? Well, I'm excited to share a new product today that I want to test out with you guys called Evenflow from Lawn Life. So one of the best ways to help your soil to really take and hold that water is using a surfactant, but not all surfactants are made the same. Most surfactants that you can get on Amazon are really cheap and they don't last very long, just a couple of days. On the other end of the spectrum, there's professional grade surfactants that golf courses use, but they cost hundreds of dollars per gallon. So the really cool thing about Evenflow is it's made with a lot of those same ingredients of those professional surfactants, but it's less than $100. And the best part about this stuff is that it can help your lawn for up to 120 days with only 2 treatments. So today we're gonna put down the first treatment of Evenflow, and then 7 days from now, we're gonna put down the second one to basically cover us for this whole season. So for the test today, I've got 2 cups of compacted peat moss, and in one of them, I'm just gonna put straight water in, and in the other one, I'm gonna put a mixture of water and Evenflow just to show you what it does. All right, so I've got my pure water here, so we'll put that in this cup, but in this one, we need to mix just a little bit of Evenflow in here, just so we can show you what it does. You can see this stuff is pretty thick. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. It's basically the consistency of soap. And we're just gonna get this in here, mix it up. The nice thing about this stuff, it's not toxic, nothing in it can really hurt you or anything like that, so really safe to use with your kids and your pets. All right, I think we're ready to go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with just the water. So I'm gonna throw that one on top here. And you can see the water is just kind of sitting on top of the soil. And this is what happens in your lawn. When you've got compacted soil, when you water, sometimes that water just sits on top of the soil and runs off. This is exactly why in a drought situation, it's really hard to get your soil to take the water, especially when it's really dried out. It becomes almost hydrophobic. Now we're gonna take a look at this one where we have our mixture. And we're gonna go ahead and throw this in. It's compacted just as much as this one. Throw that in. And you can see right away that it is starting to go down into the soil. And the reason why is because the surfactant has got branch polymers to really connect it and get it to hold to the soil. So we're gonna let this sit here for just a minute or two and see the difference between these two. All right, so it has been 5 minutes and you can see that this is totally soaked through the soil. This Evenflow has completely gone down in, absorbed all into this peat moss. And here we are 5 minutes later with this compacted stuff with just the water, and the water hasn't even really gone down into the peat moss at all. And I don't know if you can see that really good, but the water is still just sitting on the top here of the soil. None of the soil has been soaked into. So does this stuff work? Yeah, this stuff totally works. It totally helps to soak into the soil. So this can only help your soil in a drought situation. All right, so it's time to mix this up. The application rate of Evenflow is 8 ounces or 1 cup per gallon per 1,000 square feet. So I put 3 gallons in here. I've got about 2,500 to 2,700 square feet back here. So I'm just gonna make it easy on me for the measurements. I'm okay to go just slightly heavier on this stuff. But you're gonna need a measuring cup so that you can put a cup of this stuff in per gallon. So I'm gonna put 3 cups of this stuff in, and we're gonna mix it up. It's pretty thick, it's pretty viscous, so I would recommend going slightly heavier than the regular dose just to make sure you get it all out of your measuring cup. And like I said, this stuff is so thick that you want to make sure you get it mixed up really good. So we're going to use a paddle mixer and just mix this up. All right. And that's it, guys. That's exactly how you put this down. So we put down our first treatment today. We're gonna wait 7 more days and do this again. I would highly recommend watering this in. I've got a lot of this just sitting on the grass blade. To get it down into the soil, I need to turn my sprinklers on just for a minute. It is gonna rain today, so as long as the sun doesn't come out, I could wait, but I'm just gonna play it safe, put my sprinklers out just for a few minutes to get it down into the soil. So I waited 7 days and just put down my second coat of Evenflow. So I waited till the evening so that it wasn't hot. I mowed my lawn. I mixed up and I applied a second coat of Evenflow, and then I immediately watered it in to make sure that it got down to the soil. And that's it, guys. That's how you apply Evenflow. I'm really excited to see how it does this season, and I'm interested to hear how it goes for you too. That test really just blew me away to see how well it actually soaks into the soil. So it can only help if you're in an area like me where we have a drought. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you'll be alerted when we put out more helpful content like this. And with it heating up, make sure you watch this video where I go over the 5 things not to do in the summer heat. So click this video and I'll see you over there.